Which grinding wheel is actually good for tungsten? Simple question, but it's tricky to find the right answer. Today, we're digging into the top options so you can decide which one suits your needs best. Product number 1, DeWalt DW4514. First up is the DeWalt DW4514 1/4 thick grinding wheel. Priced at just $1.76, it caught my attention for its impressive 4.8-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, making it a bestseller. If you want reliability and long-lasting performance, this is worth a serious look. What makes this grinding wheel stand out is its high-performance aluminum oxide grain, which not only ensures a long life, but also delivers high material removal. This means you can efficiently grind down tungsten without wasting time. The high grain concentration offers aggressive grinding action, so you can expect smoother results. Considering it's compatible with various grinders, it's very versatile for users. Now, some users noted that the wheel can wear down quickly if used on tougher materials, which might not be ideal for everyone. Here's the thing, though. If you primarily work with tungsten, the performance you get for the price is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or a pro looking for a reliable, cost-effective grinding wheel. Skip this one if you're grinding harder metals regularly, though. For the value, it's a solid choice. Now, if the price of the DeWalt DW4514 caught your attention, the next product offers a different approach with more specialized features. Product number 2, Amicupid 6-inch green silicon carbide wheel. Next, we have the Amicupid 6-inch green silicon carbide grinding wheel, priced at $23.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 366 reviews, it's another solid contender. If you're looking to sharpen carbide tools and non-metallic materials, this is worth your time. This wheel is designed for grinding cemented carbide tools and non-ferrous materials like ceramics and stone. One of its standout features is that it prevents burning of the tool tip during the grinding process, a common issue with less effective wheels. The 80 grit offers a balance of sharpness and durability, ensuring you can work on tough materials without losing precision. However, some users mentioned that it's not ideal for high-toughness workpieces, which could be a deal breaker if that's your main focus. But if you primarily work with softer materials, this wheel's performance will impress you. This is perfect for you if you're focused on sharpening and grinding non-metallic materials. Skip this one if you often handle tougher metals. For the price, you're getting a lot of quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you focusing solely on tungsten. Product number 3, UF Sharp 3-inch diamond grinding wheel. Now, let's talk about the UF Sharp 3-inch flat diamond grinding wheel, priced at $19.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 85 reviews, this option is definitely worth considering. If you need something specifically for tungsten, this is definitely a candidate. The diamond construction means it provides high hardness and excellent grinding efficiency, which is crucial when working with tough materials like tungsten. The wheel features a 150 grit, making it ideal for precise grinding while maintaining shape retention over time. This wheel can be mounted on small grinders, which is super convenient. However, a few users pointed out that the size might not be compatible with larger grinders, which could limit its use for some. But if you're working with smaller tools, this could be a fantastic addition to your setup. This is perfect for you if you're looking for precision grinding of tungsten with small tools. Skip this one if you primarily use larger grinders. For its price and performance, it's a great value. Now, if you're in need of a more specialized wheel, the next product offers an interesting twist on grinding technology. Product number 4, Jingling 4-inch diamond flatlap disc. Next up is the Jingling 4-inch diamond flatlap disc, coming in at $11.50. With a 4.6-star rating from 252 reviews, this product is gaining traction. If you're focused on precision grinding, this could be exactly what you need. The 320 grit on this wheel is designed for fine grinding of materials like glass and stone, but it also works well for tungsten if you're looking for a more refined touch. It's absolutely flat and parallel, which is fantastic for achieving exacting faceting requirements. Plus, with its compatibility with angle grinders, It's easy to incorporate into your existing setup. Some users did mention that it might wear down faster than expected with heavy use, which is something to consider if you plan on grinding a lot. But if you need precision and are careful with your usage, this will perform admirably. This is perfect for you if you need a wheel for fine grinding and precision work. Skip this one if you're after heavy-duty performance. For the cost, it delivers solid value. Finally, if you're looking for something compact and specialized for small tasks, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 5. 3 mirrors 5 PCS cutting wheels. Last but not least, we have the 3 mirrors 5 PCS cutting wheels, priced at $8.99. With a 4.4 star rating from 686 reviews, this is a favorite among users. If you need a compact solution for tungsten sharpener, this could be your go-to. These diamond wheels are designed to fit rotary tools, making them perfect for sharpening tungsten electrodes. Each disc has a 35 millimeters diameter and is made from high-quality carbon steel, which means they offer good durability. They're versatile too, able to cut through wood, metal, and even gems. However, some users have found that the size might not be suitable for larger projects, which can be limiting. But if you're focused on smaller tasks or have a rotary tool setup, this will be a great addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and compact solution for sharpening. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty grinding solution. Considering you get 5 wheels for the price, it's definitely a good deal. So there you have it. The DeWalt DW4514 offers reliability for general use. The Amicupid is great for non-metallic materials. The UF Sharp shines with precision for tungsten. The Jingling is perfect for fine work, and the 3 mirrors pack is fantastic for compact tasks. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs.